Hello, welcome back everybody. If you're new instead, this is Giuseppe. I'm 47 years old and you're watching the channel of the Italian Keto Guy. In my channel, I have delight in turning traditional and non-traditional, so to say, recipes, international recipes. So to say, I'm Italian, so I'm talking about Italian recipes. So in a ketogenic version whenever it is possible. And today I'm going to show you an international version, talking from my Italian side, the muffin that I think to be a British recipe, if I'm not wrong. The savory muffin. I don't like them too much. I don't like sweets so much, so whenever it is possible I try to create savory recipes, and today I turned the muffin into ketogenic ones and the savory version. They are zero carbs. I want to stress that because I'm using the fibers, and fibers notoriously they contain zero carbohydrates. Follow me in the preparation of this delicious and zero carbs recipe. So let's start the preparation of this recipe by weighing 2 courgettes. In this case, the zucchini I use, the courgette I use is 240 grams. Then I added 3 eggs, the most complete food in the world. 30 grams of oat fiber. If you don't have it, you can use bamboo fiber, and then start mixing the ingredients. I suggest you to blend the zucchini, the courgettes, and then to put some salt on it and let them release the vegetation water. Otherwise, you will end up with a very watery dough. So leave them to release the vegetation water for 1 hour after you put salt on them. Okay, so stir completely, and then it's the time to add the filling. If you're vegetarian, of course you can avoid the bacon. I don't know what else you can put. Maybe a carrot. Only 1 carrot won't kick you out of ketosis. Okay, so 70-80 grams of Emmenthal cheese, or whatever you want, and 160 grams of bacon. Let me know in the comments what is your vegetarian favorite filling. I'm curious. Keep stirring, so to blend all the ingredients together. It will be easy step, and then you can transfer the content of the dough in some silicone paper tray. I don't know how to call them in English, by the way. You will see now. So round tray, silicone mold maybe. Yeah, they will come out 9 with the ingredients I gave you. So you can put in the oven then 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit for 15-20 minutes. So after the preparations of the preparation of the recipe, it's mandatory to have the tasting. I had to give another bite. I can't resist. The taste of the pancetta, the bacon, blended with the melted cheese, give a taste of sublimeness, of a delicacy to those savory muffins. They are really, really delicious, believe me. So inviting. And above all, those muffins are zero carbohydrates. We use the oat fiber that contains zero carbs. Here you can see the one I used. I bought it on the Italian branch of Amazon, but I'm sure that in your country you can find oat fiber, zero carbs. The fiber is a fiber. They do not contain carbs. So Okay, I don't have the oat fiber. I don't want to put oat fiber. What's the replacement? You can use almond flour, the so common used flour in the most common flour in the ketogenic way of eating. I don't like it when they call it diet. For me, it's not a diet. Anyway, you can use almond flour. We use 30 grams of oat fiber, so I think you can use 50 grams of almond flour to keep the carbs low, because almond flour contains much more carbs than the oat fiber. So 50 grams should be okay. 50 grams should be okay. When can I eat those muffins? This is another question that Italian people ask me so frequently. At lunch or at dinner, they are complete. They contain protein, fats, so all that the ketogenic way of eating requires: protein and fat most, and very low amount of carbohydrates. So I think they are complete, a complete meal for lunch or for dinner. What can I put instead of bacon or cheese? I'm vegetarian. I don't eat cheese. Right now, I don't know. I would like you to tell me in the comments below, so that you make the channel more complete, so to say. I chose this one because I'm not vegetarian. I eat cheese once in a while, so I chose the classic stuffing, filling. But if you have any more ideas, let me know in the comments below. You know, I'm an open-minded person. That's it. If you like the video, please subscribe. I passed 5,500 followers, subscribers, and I'm sure I will end the month with 6,000. Thanks to your support. That is essential to me, means the world to me, your support. And without you, the channel wouldn't grow the way it is growing. Subscribe please if you like the video, share with your friends, and see you next time. Ciao!